So hello friends and welcome to Overtake, and as you all know that Magnite got 4 stars rating in the Euro NCAP, and so it has got crash test in the Asian NCAP as well. Asian NCAP tested the Nissan Magnite and it got 4 stars rating. You can see the images over here when the testing was done, and let me clarify that this was the Indian version Magnite, not the foreign version. So Indian version Magnite with whatever feature it comes in India was the exact Magnite that is showcased over here and was tested. Now a lot of dealers as well are selling 100 units a day, 36 units a day, and it deserves that much sales as well, because if Brezza can sell a low quality car, or unsafe cars can sell like Swift and all, then Magnite definitely deserves so much amount of sales, and I think it deserves much more. Now you can see the pics that were shared by the Asian NCAP. You can go to their website. There's a PDF available of which the screenshots I'm sharing with you, and you can go to the description as well. You can check out our website where we have made a blog separately about this in more details. If you want to see that, you can check out our website. In the description box the link will be given. So what are my opinions and views about this? Definitely Magnite is a very good car, nice price positioning and everything, and a cherry on cake is that it got 4 stars of rating out of 5, which is very good. I'd say very good. I was expecting it to get 2 stars or max to max 3 stars, but it got 4 stars in foreign country and in India as well. And I like to congratulate Nissan about this also, and I expect that after this news of coming out of 4-star safety, after coming of this news, Nissan will be able to sell more units of Magnite as compared to earlier, because people always buy tried and trusted products, and now Magnite is tested very well, and Nissan had a confidence that they'll definitely be able to sell, and definitely the Magnite will get good stars. That's why they got it tested. Congratulations to Nissan, and those whoever wanna buy Nissan Magnite can now definitely go without any hesitation. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon on. You can check our Instagram stories where we update you about every auto news. Thanks. Signing off. Overtake.